Good day, Mom, Sir. I'm Jinsel Barbon, 35 years old, a Filipina, married and have three daughters, ages 9, 3, and 2 years old. It is my first time applying abroad, but I have experience here in the Philippines for 5 years as a helper. My main duties is cleaning the house, doing laundry, washing the plates, and serving their food every day, and also taking care of their child. Mom, sir, please choose me as a domestic helper because I guaranteed you that I will finish my contract and I will do the best I can to be a best domestic helper on you. I am excited to be a part of your growing family. Mom, sir, I am honest, hardworking, and very patient. I can work under pressure. I admit that I do not know how to cook Chinese food, but I am eager to learn on how to cook it through the help of internet and watching on YouTube. So please, Mom, sir, choose me as your domestic helper because I will do my best to serve you the better. Thank you and God bless.